Before I attended Learning Journey, I would usually get 60 to 65 for my English exams. But after attending Learning Journey, I got an A for my PSLE. Before joining Learning Journey, I'd have to say that my composition, I had a minimum amount of vocabulary and not that many phrases to use. For my comprehension open-ended, I would always leave my answers hanging in the air. As such, marks would be deducted and I would get a lower grade. The lessons at Learning Journey benefited me as I was able to learn many useful techniques like underlining the keywords to derive my answers in comprehension open-ended, which was one of the topics that I struggled with. On top of that, the many useful composition practices that Miss Song gave me allowed me to be introduced to many good phrases and feelings which I was able to use in my PSLE composition. Another useful technique that I learned was to read my good phrases and good feelings before the exam so that they will be fresh in my mind and I'll be ready to use them. Online classes have benefited me as I tend to be forgetful and leave things at home. But due to circuit breaker, we are doing classes from the comfort of our own home and everything will be accessible to me. I would recommend Learning Journey to my friends as they have really helped me with my English.